Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB Texas interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. Brand new set of floor mats, all season and regular. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Multimedia package with navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display. Cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 38,302 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.